So yeah, the ZUMA-5 study was a single-arm study of the CD19 CAR-T axicabtagene ciloleucel, showed very high overall response rates and durable responses in relapsed refractory follicular lymphoma after at least a couple of lines of treatment. Here we compared the results, the clinical results of this trial that were updated to the last follow-up with the international scholar-5 cohort, which was a cohort of follicular lymphoma from academic centers that met the ZUMA-5 criteria. So we enrolled patients from approximately seven institutions and 5 countries with relapsed refractory follicular lymphoma. And we compared the results of the ZUMA-5 cohort with the international scholar-5 using the propensity score method, which allowed for a balanced comparison between the groups. So the key findings of this study were, first of all, the overall response rate that was superior in the ZUMA-5 trial with an impressive 94% overall response rate and a 79% complete responses, while in the international scholar-5, the overall response rate was around a little less than 50%, and the CR rate was 27%. But the ZUMA-5 was also superior in terms of progression-free survival and time to next treatment. But where I was really surprised and what I think is very interesting of this study are the results of the overall survival, because the ZUMA-5 had superior overall survival compared to the international scholar-5, where the median overall survival for the ZUMA-5 was not reached, while it was 59 months for the scholar-5. In absence of a randomized clinical trial in this situation, these results are really reassuring for the use of CAR-T for patients who are relapsed refractory or are progressing quite quickly after a couple of lines of treatment. And in the United States, for example, CAR-T for follicular lymphoma are approved and available. And I think this is kind of reassuring for me and my patients that this could be a good option instead of the traditional trials or options that are out there. What the study overall showed us is that there's really an unmet need for patients who are relapsed refractory for follicular lymphoma. And I think the ZUMA-5, the axi-cel product can really fill the gap. And I think overall it's a really good results for and hope for our patients with follicular lymphoma.